The perfect, budget-friendly dinner idea for the whole family. Start by chopping the onion. Next, we chop the garlic. Now we are ready to cook. Add some oil to a hot pan over medium heat. Now we add the onion and garlic together into the pan. Fry for about 2 minutes until they turn golden. Now add the ground beef. Season with salt, black pepper, and paprika. Fry until the moisture is gone and the meat is well browned. Now pour in the tomato pasta sauce for flavor. Then pour in the chopped tomatoes. Next, add the lentils. Mix well and cook for a while. Pour in the broth and give it a quick stir. Cover with the lid and let it simmer on low heat for about 30 minutes. Cook until the liquid reduces and the sauce becomes thick. For the bechamel sauce, melt the butter in a pot over medium heat. Stir in the flour, whisk, and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until the flour is cooked out. Gradually add the cold milk in 2 parts, stirring until smooth. Now add the rest of the milk and stir. Season with a pinch of salt, black pepper, and nutmeg. Simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring often so it doesn't stick, until it reaches the right consistency. Cut the potatoes into thin slices, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Rinse the potato slices to remove the starch. Add water and cook in the microwave for about 10 minutes, until the potatoes are just tender. Now, let's start assembling. First, spread a layer of bechamel, the white sauce. Spread the first layer of potatoes evenly. Spread the meat sauce evenly. Spread the white sauce on top. Now, sprinkle the shredded cheese. Finish with a layer of potatoes, meat sauce, and top with bechamel white sauce. Loosely cover with foil and bake in the oven for 30 minutes. It's not finished yet, don't forget that. Sprinkle the rest of the cheese, bake for 15 more minutes, and broil until golden on top. This $10 casserole is full of melty cheese, tomato, and meat sauce. It's cheap, filling, and budget-friendly. The perfect family dinner that shows you don't need to spend much to eat well. Big flavor, small cost. That's dollar meal. I hope you enjoyed this delicious cheap meal today. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what you think in the comments.